Are you tired of reaching for over-the-counter medicines for every little ailment? What if I told you that you could grow your very own natural pharmacy right in your backyard or even on your balcony? Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of natural healing, has used plants for thousands of years to promote health, balance, and well-being. And the best part? Many of these plants are incredibly easy to grow at home. In this video, we'll explore the 15 best Ayurvedic plants you can grow yourself, and how they can benefit your mind, body, and soul. Number 1. Tulsi, holy basil, known as the Queen of Herbs. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is considered sacred in India. It's used for boosting immunity, reducing stress, and improving respiratory health. Drinking Tulsi tea regularly can help fight colds, coughs, and even mild fevers. This plant thrives in sunlight, needs moderate watering, and grows well in pots, making it perfect for your balcony garden. Number 2. Aloe Vera. This fleshy green plant is a skincare and digestive health superstar. Ayurveda recommends aloe vera gel for soothing burns, healing cuts, and nourishing the skin. Drinking aloe vera juice in moderation can aid digestion and detoxify the body. It loves bright sunlight, so place it on a sunny windowsill or outside in your garden. Number 3. Neem. Often called the village pharmacy, Neem has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Its leaves are used to treat skin problems, purify the blood, and even repel insects. Growing neem requires a sunny spot and well-drained soil. If you have space for a small tree in your yard, neem is a must-have. Number 4. Ashwagandha, Indian ginseng. Famous for its adaptogenic properties, ashwagandha helps reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost stamina. The roots are often dried and powdered for medicinal use. It grows best in warm climates with plenty of sunlight and well-draining soil. This plant not only benefits your health but also looks great in a herbal garden. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is known worldwide for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ayurveda uses it for improving digestion, supporting joint health, and boosting immunity. You can grow turmeric from rhizomes, just like ginger, right in pots or in your garden. It needs warm weather, plenty of water, and partial sunlight to thrive. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger is an Ayurvedic favorite for treating colds, sore throats, and digestive problems. A cup of ginger tea can warm you up and improve circulation. You can grow it easily in containers from store-bought ginger root. Keep it in partial sunlight and water regularly for the best results. Number 7. Brahmi, Bacopa monieri. Brahmi is known in Ayurveda for improving memory, focus, and overall brain function. It's also used to reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep. This creeping herb loves moist soil and partial shade, making it ideal for indoor pots or shaded garden corners. Number 8. Lemongrass. Used in Ayurvedic teas and oils, lemongrass helps with digestion, relieves headaches, and fights infections. It's also a natural mosquito repellent. Lemongrass grows quickly in sunny spots with well-drained soil, and it can be grown in pots or garden beds. Number 9. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are not just for flavoring dishes. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support hair health, digestion, and heart health. This plant grows well in warm climates and sunny locations. With a little care, you'll have fresh curry leaves right outside your kitchen. Number 10. Mint, Pudina. Mint is widely used in Ayurveda to aid digestion, cool the body, and relieve headaches. It grows quickly and can take over your garden if not controlled, so it's best to grow it in pots. Give it sunlight, water regularly, and you'll always have fresh leaves for tea or chutneys. Number 11. Coriander, cilantro. Coriander leaves and seeds are used in Ayurveda for cooling the body, improving digestion, and detoxifying the system. It grows easily from seeds and does well in both pots and garden beds. This plant needs moderate watering and a good amount of sunlight to thrive. Number 12. Fenugreek, Methi. Fenugreek is valued in Ayurveda for boosting metabolism, supporting lactation in new mothers, and improving skin health. Both the leaves and seeds are used in cooking and remedies. You can grow it from seeds in shallow containers, and it's ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Number 13. Calendula, marigold. In Ayurveda, calendula flowers are used for healing wounds, soothing skin irritations, and reducing inflammation. This bright, cheerful plant grows well in sunny spots and needs regular watering. It's also a great companion plant, protecting other herbs from pests. Number 14. Gotu kola, Centella asiatica. Gotu kola is considered a powerful brain tonic in Ayurveda. It's used to enhance memory, improve circulation, and promote wound healing. This low-growing herb prefers moist soil and partial shade, making it a good option for indoor herb gardens. Number 15. Sarpaganda, Indian snakeroot. Sarpaganda is traditionally used in Ayurveda to treat high blood pressure, insomnia, and anxiety. Its roots are the main medicinal part. This plant prefers warm weather, moderate sunlight, and moist soil. It's a bit rarer to find but well worth growing if you can get the seeds or saplings. Now, let's talk about why growing these Ayurvedic plants at home is such a game changer. Firstly, you get fresh, potent herbs without any chemicals or pesticides, just pure, natural goodness. Secondly, it's cost-effective. Once established, many of these plants will provide a steady supply for years. Third, gardening itself is therapeutic, reducing stress, improving mood, and connecting you with nature. If you're new to gardening, start with easy plants like Tulsi, aloe vera, mint, and ginger. They don't require much care and grow quickly, giving you a confidence boost. Once you get the hang of it, you can move on to slightly more demanding plants like Ashwagandha, Neem, or Sarpaganda. Another tip. Group plants with similar sunlight and watering needs together. For example, aloe vera, turmeric, and lemongrass all love sun and warmth, so they can be kept in the same area. On the other hand, Brahmi and Gotu kola prefer partial shade, so they can share a cooler corner. When it comes to harvesting, remember that Ayurveda values timing. Harvest leaves or roots when the plant's medicinal properties are at their peak. For most herbs, this is early in the morning before the sun gets too hot. Roots like turmeric or ginger are best harvested after the plant's growing season, when the energy is stored below the soil. You can use these plants fresh, dried, or in homemade remedies. For example, make Tulsi tea for immunity. Mix aloe vera gel with turmeric for a soothing face mask. Brew ginger and lemongrass tea for digestion. Brew ginger and lemongrass tea for digestion. Add curry leaves to your meals for extra antioxidants. Use neem leaves in bath water to soothe skin irritations. Remember, while these plants are incredibly beneficial, Ayurveda always emphasizes balance. Just because something is natural doesn't mean more is better. Use them in moderation, and if you have a medical condition, consult a professional before starting new remedies. By creating your own Ayurvedic garden, you're not just growing plants. You're cultivating a lifestyle. You'll start to notice subtle changes: better digestion, improved immunity, calmer moods, and a deeper connection to the natural world. And in today's fast-paced, stress-filled life, that's priceless. So, whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a sunny balcony, start with one or two of these plants today. In a few months, you'll be amazed at how your garden and your health have transformed. This is your chance to bring the wisdom of Ayurveda into your daily life, right from the comfort of your home. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.